What's going on, champs? Hope you guys doing well. I'm gonna have to whisper because I'm traveling to Mexico in a moment, in a few hours, and I hope you guys can hear me. I'm at my like a family's place, so like the kids are sleeping and whatnot, so I can't speak so loud. Put your volume up if you can't hear me. Hopefully it helps. But the drawings I'll do is self-explanatory. So we talked about yesterday in terms of a plan, in terms of BTC, and target hit, bang on, smash, we're done. Easy game, easy game. I talked about this range over here, right? This range over here, and I was talking about how price is going to come up. I'm looking for the mid-range. Wasn't too interested about this monthly open for it to be tagged. More about the mid-range because that's the range we were playing in, okay? And what happened, lo and behold, as you can see, we came into the mid-range, right? You can easily see this quite carefully. Coming to the mid-range. Mid-range was right here, okay? And close below it, start rejecting it, and that was, you can put a stop loss over here. To be honest, right, if you want to play it safer, the stop loss could be above the range high, okay? And play below it, break down, and yeah, it's clean smash. Talked about targeting over here, this bit here, and yeah, I said target one was over here. Same, we watch how it plays. If you bounce and hold above it, instead clean smash. I was saying about there's another range within here. Target 2 mid-range, target 3 here, target 4 done. Trade's over. Okay, so now what do we do? All right, the question is, Bitcoin dumped, crypto just dumped quite heavily. Bitcoin's at what, minus 3.76%, Ethereum minus 5.37%. Is it over? I don't think so. So I just want to give a quick shout out to Phoebe, and Victor, the 6 people over here. I really appreciate you guys all here. Smash the likes if you don't mind, and support the channel. Let's get cracking onto the next set of plans. What do we do next, okay? Now, do you remember last week? For those who were here last week, do you remember what I was talking about last week? What was so important about Tuesday? Monday's range, right? We'll do the same situation, okay? Monday's range. And I did say Monday's high will be around mid-range. Pretty much smack on. We'll talk about that in the future. In regards to how to predict a range. I was saying like this. Monday's low is here. I was saying Monday's range will be around here approximately, right? 31.5k. Thinking about this would be the mid-range, but instead it went a bit higher. So we've now got Monday's range. Let's delete this crap over here because we don't need this right now. Let's focus on this section. We're only going to play on Monday's range, and that's it, okay? Now, we've got a few things here, right? We're now back into this range here. Let's have a look. Sorry. 1 hour, right? We're now step back into this range here. The supply and demand area that we've been playing out. Back into here, okay? Now the question is, what do we do? Still looks good to me in my opinion, but we need to play off the Monday's range. I mean, I'm not liking this idea of that's a lower, and that's a high, and that's a lower high. Well, we need, the question is, do we go lower or do we not go lower? Bring in Monday's range and we play from there, okay? So let's go in the 15 minutes, and this will be the plan for tomorrow. Well, today, sorry. So you see this area here that I've got highlighted over here, this SR. I'm expecting price to come back into it, hold above it. If it holds above it, we can start playing higher, which lo and behold comes as Monday's low, okay? So to me, the magnet in price is Monday's low. We need to take out Monday's low out. Let price do its thing, right? So we've got a few SRs here for us to step in, okay? What we're doing is let price come back in, take out Monday's low, let it hold on to this SR. The moment it holds into it, show bullish price action, we can start playing it up. Confirmations above here, okay? So you can play from here, right? Because we step back into Monday's low, or you can play up to here if you want to have more of a confirmation. Then where do we play? We play back into this blue box here, short play stop loss below the deviation, right? That's target 1. Looking for target 2 above here, right? And then target 3 at mid-range. That's it. That's all we're doing. Nothing else, nothing too crazy. Play level to level. Extend this over here. So price, I'm expecting price to do something like this. Come back up, play around here, there, done. Once it does that, that's it. Trade's done. Okay. Now the next set of plan is if we get above the Monday's mid-range or bullish market structure, we start targeting to 75%. Remember, this is as a consolidation, potentially playing it to Monday's high, going into the monthly open. That's where we get a next set of play. So low to mid, mid to high. Once we tag the monthly open, we'll see what happens. Do we smash above it or not? Okay, that's pretty much as simple as we can do it, right? Nothing too complicated, nothing too crazy, and that's pretty much it, to be honest. That's the plan really. The daily close already done. One second, let's have a look. The daily close was what? Yeah, okay. Let's have a look, sorry. Yeah, so daily close is just come into this area now. Delete all this crap. No. Right. So, got loads of crap here now. There we go. So it's just still choppy though. It's still choppy to me. It's still the range bound play. It's still range bound from here to here. The fact, I mean, it could go, like I said, it's gonna come down. Let it come down. Let it do its thing over here. Let it do its thing. Hold the mid range of this macro range. Okay, hold the mid range. We can start playing it up to monthly open. We reclaim the monthly open. We can start playing it to this range higher there. To me, all this is just a range bound play. That's what it is. Simple as that. Ethereum's back into the blue box, and I was talking about a short. Let's look at the 15 minutes. Let's bring this back up. Sorry. Hope you guys are not having trouble listening to me. Alright. Anyway, I was talking about yesterday how I wanted to come back into this range low, let it break down, let it do its thing, let it break down, and then we start playing it to level to level, and then obviously that was my target really, but it chunked below it quite well. So that's done. If you're in BTC, done, right? Again, same thing, right? Same thing we do, which is what Monday's range in it. So let's just see what Monday range is. 1 o'clock here. The high comes over here. Let me delete this off for a moment. And oh yeah, you can clearly see how spectacular this has been. It's giving you a few opportunities, to be honest, as well. You see how it's come back down here, being choppy at the mid-range, right? And then shut down back to Monday's low, right? It's taking out Monday's low. Monday's low was actually, yeah. So yeah, the trade just done straight after Monday. Now same thing. What do we do? Right? How do we play this trade? Because right now it looks quite nasty. If you look at me, if you look at it this way, it looks quite nasty there. It's breaking the trend line there. Now let's ignore that for a moment and let's just focus on what's going on. Right? Again, same thing. It's still range bound play within this area here. Go on the daily, and we can start seeing this out. Okay. See this trend, this range bound environment still playing here. Maybe we might need to change this out, change the low and whatever. Let's have a look. If I bring the low here, what happens? Yeah, you could say that's the range actually. That's the high and that's the low. And the mid range is capping the market there. And resistance over here, deviation and shank below it. I mean, anyway, question is what do we do, right? Let's go on the 15 minutes, right? Do I think it's a buy at 29.6? Yeah, to be honest, right? Like I said to Unit, right? If it steps back into Monday's low at 29.8, 8 around here, let's say 29.6. It could be. I mean, I wouldn't be blind holding buys. This is like we're trading in it as we go for a day trade. So if it holds above it, right, then I'll be like, alright, cool, maybe possibly, but step into Monday's low. That's when I'll be like, okay, this is an area that I'd like to actually buy, playing it upwards, right? Wouldn't buy straight away. Wouldn't buy. Sorry, the voice is too far away. Sorry about that. I can't speak so loud because I'm at family's place, and the kids are sleeping right now. So apologies for that. Hopefully, I mean, the volume, you can actually put it a bit louder and it's still doable, manageable. But yeah, if BTC, like I said, VEEP, step into Monday's low, let it hold Monday's low, then it'll be a buy, playing it up to 30.4, going to 30.7, then 30.8. Break above it, as the plan was, go up higher, okay? Now Ethereum, let's see, okay? We have a very, very fast move down, right? What I would like to see is us to reclaim this low over here, come back into Monday's low, hold above it, breaking market structure up there. And then what do I do is play level to level there, and then back to here, mid-range. I mean, for me, it'd be target 1's over here, target 1's there, target 2 off this low here. Let's draw a line there. Target 2 off this low here, and target 3 is over here. That's the plan for Ethereum, okay? Let me extend this out there. You got it. Same thing. If it reclaims them, I'm gonna this to the side. If it reclaims the mid-range and holds above it, then we can start saying that's target 1, target 2, because this is a consolidation area, going for target 3, which is Monday's high. From there, we'll see what happens. Do we? I expect if price come up here to take out Monday's high, I expect price to wick into the monthly open. So we'll see how it goes, and that's pretty much it really as well. There's nothing much more that can be said, but to monitor it out, monitor itself. Ethereum BTC looking fucking shit. Oh man. So let's have a look on the daily. Alright, so on the daily itself, let's delete all this crap here. Let's look weekly. Start of the week anyway, so let it do its thing anyway. So what we've done, we've come out and we've taken out this block key stops over here, taken out stops over there last week, and we close below the block. As long as we don't on the weekly, as long as we don't close below here on the weekly by Sunday, then we're good to go. Which is why I was saying to you guys yesterday that BTC is the better play. Ethereum looks weak, looks really, really weak. BTC has much more of a clear vibe, much more of a clear read that can actually read it itself. Ethereum has more of a potential expansion on percentage, right? Because it's looking to me that the magnet price is still range low, depending how the weekly closes come in. So it's just a range bound play over here. Not very clean, not very good, right? I mean, you can see we've broken all this structure over here. That trend line's broken. Range low over here. We'll see what happens there. So as you guys know, plans for BTC and let's look at the dollar. Dollar looks like it's gonna retest a range bound environment as well. So as you can see here, above the monthly open is in the purple line. This is a range bound environment over here. Deviation. This is a retest, right? We'll see what happens. I like for us to break down. I mean, it could go up. As long as we break down, we should go a lot more lower. So we'll see how that goes. But you know the plan. Plan is for thinking BTC and Ethereum, let Monday's low do its thing. For BTC, take out Monday's low, hold Monday's low, we play to mid-range. Ethereum, reclaim Monday's low, because it's below Monday's low, it's not looking nice. But that's it really for me for now. I'm going to head off. It's 2:15 actually at the moment. It's a bit quick trade scenario there. So yeah, I'm flying off to Mexico tomorrow. And Wednesday, I'm gonna have to work out a timing in terms of where and when I'm gonna actually do the what time I'm gonna actually do the streams. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later when I head off to bed. And yeah, man, you guys take care of yourself, right? Take care.